What's up, guys? Okay, so we got the wash on the 911 TurboS, and now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go ahead and use Gyeon's PPF Renew. Let me show you guys. If you guys could see it, this is Gyeon's PPF Renew. So this is Gyeon's PPF Renew. This is a silica-based compound. So this is PPF Renew. We're gonna use this with a light finishing pad. We're gonna go around the car as quick as possible, not too fast. We don't wanna heat up the PPF, but what it's gonna do, it's gonna refine the top layer of the PPF and clean it up so that we could put Gyeon's coating on this PPF. All right, so stay tuned. So the pad that I'm gonna use is a CCS Lake Country pad, and we're gonna pair that with my Rupes LHR 21. We got the 5.5, the smaller car. If you need to touch anything up, we have the Nano also, but this is what we're gonna go ahead and use.
So I completely forgot to press record, but you will see it now here on the front. So I'm using just light passes all over the PPF just to get it nice and shiny and take off any contaminants that have been on the PPF. So again, we want to just go fairly quick. We don't want to create too much heat on the PPF because it could damage the PPF, and we don't want that. So very light with PPF Renew, wiping off, and a black pad from Lake Country. So it's hard to tell right here, but you are able to see a difference because the owner, Eddie, came out and said, you know, it does make a difference when you polish it. So it does. And again, you're cleaning up the surface so that you can go ahead and put the ceramic coating.
Alright guys, so sorry for the noise, but I went ahead and did the polish on this 911 with Gyeon's PPF Renew. So let's go check it out. What we're going to be using is Gyeon's PPF ceramic coating. So it's like the other coating, so it should be straightforward. And this one comes, so just to let you know, this one's for PPF and vinyl, excluding matte. Okay, matte has a different ceramic coating, but this is the new formula, the Evo. So if you guys have any questions, put them down in the comments below or reach out to me and I'll answer anything you need.